Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video was for lamb and halloumi meatballs. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we start off and we take a baking tray. Spray it with some oil. This is for setting the meatballs onto. Now we take a bowl, and to that we add our lamb mince. Don't be afraid of lamb mince. I know it is higher in fat, but it's worth it for the flavour. Now if you don't like lamb mince, you can always use pork or beef. So we add some diced halloumi, some sweet paprika, some oregano, and get your hands in there and give it a good mix. Now remember, don't over mix this because the meat will go tough. So once we have it all mixed in, we're going to make our meatballs. Just take bite-sized pieces, roll them in your hand, pop them onto the baking sheet. Hi folks, if you find any benefit in what I do, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help my channel and it means I can make more videos for you. Now once we've formed our meatballs, we'll just take them and we'll pop them in the oven. So while our meatballs are cooking, we're going to make a tomato sauce. Take a frying pan, spray some oil onto it, and then add our diced onion. Give that a stir around, cook it for a couple of minutes just until the onion starts to go translucent. Now we're going to add some crushed garlic. Again, just give that a stir around, let it cook out a minute maximum. You don't want the garlic to burn. And then we start with the rest of our sauce. So we have diced tomatoes, tomato puree, chicken stock. Give that a good stir. Bring it to the boil, then turn it down and let it simmer. Once our meatballs are cooked and our sauce is starting to thicken up, we'll take them out and we'll add them to the sauce. Give that a quick stir around. And just let it cook for about another 10 minutes. As you can see, the sauce is thickened, the meatballs are well cooked, and now it's time to serve. I like to serve my meatballs on top of some pasta. Here I've just used spaghetti, but you can use whichever type of pasta you like. Little sprig of basil on top. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and just watch to the end for some more of my other videos.